Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Toncoin to Tonkeeper Wallet. Now, if you're looking to add the Toncoin to your Tonkeeper, which is the native token of the Tonkeeper, click on the Tonkeeper, and by default, the Toncoin is already added, so you cannot add it as a custom token. It's already embedded into the wallet. Now, all you need to do to be able to add this token is, if you have this token on an external wallet, such as your Telegram wallet or a centralized exchange, by using the receive icon, click on receive, you could simply scan the QR code or copy the wallet address to send the Toncoin and its tokens down to the Tonkeeper wallet. Now, another option or another way of getting yourself some additional Toncoins is, let's say you have 10 million not coins or $200 worth of not coin, and you have about 0.2 ton tokens. That's 2 cents worth of ton. All you need to do is, where you have the swap, click on the swap icon. As you can see here, this service is provided by Stone.fi. So we're basically using the decentralized exchange known as Tonfi to be able to swap our tokens. Now, where you have ton, switch their places. Let's say for your not coin, let's say it's about 1 million not coin or more. All you need to do is simply click on the continue and click on swap to confirm the transaction. So you could simply move this amount into your Toncoin, thereby adding Toncoins into your wallet. So click on confirm. And as you can see here, there's a charge of 0.65, meaning you could convert basically any amount of not coin or any ton tokens into the Ton token and just pay a small gas fee of less than $1 for this transaction. So guys, that's how you can easily add Toncoin to your Tonkeeper wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.